Hey everyone, welcome to the first section of the online teaching course. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm excited about this section in particular. This section of videos is brand new at the end of 2015, and it is really to get you started for the 2016 year and beyond with online teaching. The whole world of teaching online has changed in the past few years, and I have learned so much, and I wanted to update everyone enrolled in this class or anyone new to this class on some of my latest tips and tricks that I've been using that have been successful. So while the rest of this course content is still very relevant, I'm still using all of the techniques that I teach you in the rest of this course. I just wanted to update you on some of the best tips that I can give you right off the bat. So in the next few videos, you'll learn some really important concepts for teaching online, and then later on I dive deeper into each of the different aspects of creating an online course, from creation and promotion to building your own brand and beyond. So thank you so much for joining me for this section, and let's dive right in.